In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple drop-down in Figma. Whether you're designing a website or an app, drop-down menus are a crucial component for organizing your options neatly and efficiently. Let's dive right into it and make creating a drop-down menu easy to follow and implement. First off, we need to start by designing our drop-down button. Think about how you want it to look. This could be something as simple as a rectangular button with an arrow indicating more options. Customize it to fit your design style. Once you're satisfied with your button design, go ahead and duplicate it. For the second button, we want to show that it's activated or opened. So we'll modify the direction of the drop-down arrow, pointing it upwards, for example. Additionally, we'll need to create the selections or items that will appear when the menu is active. To do this, create a frame directly below your button and add a few more frames inside it for each item you want in your drop-down. Next, we'll wrap everything in another frame by pressing Shift+A. This auto layout feature is fantastic for managing nested components, making everything neat and responsive. Now, based on how many items you have in your drop-down, you'll want duplicates to represent different states, such as hover effects. In this example, I'm dealing with 3 items, so I've created 3 duplicates. Here's where you can get creative. Adjust the hover effects by perhaps reversing the text and background colors to provide visual feedback. With all the designs in place, it's time to bring them to life with some interactivity. Click on the Prototype tab, found in the right panel, and let's start connecting everything up. Hover over your first drop-down design until you see the plus sign. Click and drag it. This is how you make a connection. This first drop-down should open on click, so set your trigger as click. For animation, feel free to explore different options, but for simplicity and effectiveness, I'll use Smart Animate with an ease out curve and a duration of 300 milliseconds. When your drop-down opens, you'll want a way to close it as well. Simply connect it back to the initial closed drop-down, once again using the click trigger. Now comes the part with hover effects. It may seem like a repetitive process, but it's essential for a smooth user experience. Double-click to select each item frame individually. And like before, drag the plus sign to create those connections, but use while hovering as the trigger. Repeat this same method for all your items. Once you've connected all the hovering states appropriately, give your prototype a test run. Click on the play button to preview and see your drop-down alive and functional. And there you have it, a simple and effective drop-down menu created in Figma. Add this tool to your design arsenal to make your user interfaces more interactive and intuitive.